Hey, I'm Adrian. I'm from Door County and I fly seaplanes.
Pilots, like what's first generation?
Yeah, it was like one of my first memories. There's like a red biplane that flew overhead, blowing smoke, and I was like, yep, I want to do that. Nobody in my family was pilots. You know, grew up pretty dirt floor poor. I remember the ramen rations from 2006, so affording becoming a pilot was definitely a limiting factor, which caused me to end up like in the military, and I ended up using my GI Bill to pay for my flight training. GI Bill, if you go join the military and you're in for a specific amount of time, they pretty much say, here's 36 months of education benefits, and they'll pay you like $1,500 a month for a housing stipend. But I accomplished it, went from 0 to hero in about 18 months, taught with pretty good flight school, hung around the regionals for a few years, and now I'm flying my first big boy jet, the Airbus 320, but 18 months to get to flight instructor, and I taught for about a year. And I mean, I've been teaching consistently ever since then. So Wisconsin flying, it's absolutely wonderful. Everybody out here is great. Wisconsin, even the DOT of Wisconsin has a little stamp program where they want everyone to fly to all the airports and go get a stamp and meet people. And they give out free merch. Like, Wisconsin has some of the most amazing places you'll ever fly to. Door County is pretty special. Actually, during World War II, the prisoners of war got sent to Door County to work the cherry farm. So there's a lot of heritage from the prisoners of war that came over. So you've got, you know, a bunch of bratwursts and beer and wine. It's really a place where you can go and get some unique flavors. It's on the water. Everywhere is on the water. So this is a Lake 200 EP. They only made 40 from the factory. It's a real EP, not an STC. It's the real deal. I'm like one of 20 instructors in the country that can teach in this airplane behind me. I've taken it to Washington Island, Beaver Island, North Fox Island. A seaplane, you're gonna notice it's a lot slower for the fuel burn. So I like to tell people it's not about the miles per gallon, it's the smiles per gallon. Because it's the only way I can really mentally absorb the cost associated with operating this thing.